Okay, everyone, we've got our first trade signal here that I'd like to record, and this is on the dollar yen, and we have a current trade signal to go long. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and place some market order scripts on this chart, and these will allow us to place our take profit and our stop loss on our trade. So our target is 91.33 and our conservative stop area is 91.07. So I'm going to go ahead and place a buy, and I'll put that at 5% risk. Okay, so we've got our trade in place. Now these market order scripts, they're free with the FX dashboard, and in the video series that I've put together explaining how to use the dashboard, I will also explain how to use the market order scripts and have a video there to show you their function and everything as well. So, and those are free with the FX Dashboard Pro, so we do not have to pay anything additional for those. So we'll come back a little bit and see how our trade worked out. Alright, a few hours have passed by and we've taken profit on our long trade. Now this was a 1-star signal quality trade, and normally I like to take ones that are at least 3 or higher. But what I did like about this particular trade setup was that we had made a brand new low here, and our profit target, if you look right over here, we've got a couple of previous support areas that are going to act as resistance on our way back up. So I like the fact that our profit target was below that area, and we can see that price right here came up to test this prior support area and got rejected. So this made out for a really good trade, and what I'll do is go ahead and remove these market order scripts, and that's real easy to put them on the chart or take them off, and we'll just wait for our next trade signal. Thanks. I'd like to take this moment to share the features of the FX Dashboard Pro and show you how this tool can assist you and help you trade better. Okay, now I know that I am not the only one in my past trading career to have had a chart that looks something like this. And the problem with this for most people is there's so many different indicators attached to this chart that it makes it virtually impossible to even read price or know what's going on. So what we've done is removed all this clutter, and we've taken it to the FX Dashboard Pro, making it a lot clearer, easier to see, less confusion, and you're able to watch and read price while looking at the various tools that the FX Dashboard contains. Now before I get into the features, I'd like to mention that I do have an entire video page that will walk you through each feature, showing you how to set up the FX dashboard, how to move it on your chart if you'd like to position it somewhere else, and to be able to also change all the colors. Now here's another 1-hour chart of the euro dollar, and on this particular one we're using a black background. So regardless of what color background you like to use for your charts, you do have the ability to change the colors on the FX Dashboard Pro so that you can still see everything visually. After this video is over, if you take a moment to look at the picture down below on the website here, you'll see the various features of the FX Dashboard Pro. Just to explain a couple of them real briefly here, if we click on our indicator list and pull up our FX Dashboard Pro, we can see that we have a variety of settings here. The ability to change the colors, we can change our moving average here, and this is not just one moving average, but it's the moving average of all the different time frames, so you can use that particular trade filter to help assist you with your trades. The FX dashboard can be positioned anywhere throughout the chart, and one of the great things is we also have a signal alert which will play an audible wave file whenever we get a signal on one of our hourglasses. And that alert sound is adjustable, so it doesn't have to be a bell or a whistle. It can be anything that you would like it to play whenever we get a signal here. Now, if you use a broker like an ECN or STP broker where we've got that extra digit here on the pip value, that's what this particular setting's for, and by changing that to true, it'll work on that type of MetaTrader platform as well. So, in addition to having all the various trade filters here and the ability to receive trade signals without a monthly subscription cost, there's a lot of great things built into this FX dashboard. You can see things like your swap so that you know whether if you're taking a long or a short trade, if you're going to be paying or if you're going to be earning swap interest values on your trades. We can watch the spread, we can look at the tick speed, and we can see how much time is remaining until the current bar is going to close. So there's a lot of valuable things here that will help you that a lot of traders lack, and by having these type of devices and stuff all in a clear-cut indicator that does not clutter your chart, you'll be able to read price, watch price, and track your support and resistance a lot easier, and definitely be able to trade more effectively as a result. Now, before I close, just one of the really great features that we've programmed into the FX dashboard is this arrow right here. And as we can see, what that does when we drag that away from its position, the FX dashboard will minimize just down to the necessary features. The most important ones will be displayed on the chart, and if we would like to restore that, we can just pull this arrow back out of the way and that dashboard will change back to the full scale view. Alrighty, so this is the video, and we hope that you'll check out our product. We want to be able to help you if you're a trader who's struggling and you have a chart that looks something like this. This is for you, and that's why we've designed it. We've got 6 years of professional trading experience, and this device has been built as a result of that experience that we've used in the market time and time again. So, all right, guys, thank you for watching, and have a great day.